today's slide. So we'll be going and enhancing our user experience. So earlier we went for a higher contrast, that the background was black or extremely white, and we don't go for those extreme contrasting colors in terms of UI. That is not a good UI. So we have switched to a better contrast. My constants have the data based on theme, so we switch to this background color. Now, in terms of the landing screen, I have this graph, which is, let me just quickly go and see the test file. Okay, the test is the graph, and the width I'll not be taking it like this. Take a screen width. And I'll divide it by 0.3. Yep, 1. 5. Yes, it's better. The state is also changing. Not readily. First, I'll change the name of this file, that is test to graph. Merge the key, place them both. I'll save it. Now this will show error because test doesn't exist. This is graph. It is imported on this stay. This coming from. Yeah, it should. Is my file name is still test. It will be graph tsx. This is better. I'm having error for the font. I'll take care of it later. The reason why we are seeing the activity area right at the top is because we haven't leveraged safe area view from React Native instead of the context, or let's try and do this only area view. Yeah, I want, yeah, but that isn't so. So the context, okay, landing is fine, the report isn't. So as you can see earlier, it wasn't this way. It was going up and beyond. I think on this screen we are not. So I'll go to the, I have to, which one is it? Engagement. Okay, that was best. Graphs. Anyway, I'm calling graph. What if I'm calling graph? I need to delete the graph then. Okay. Report. So my report is with screen. daily activity engagement. Okay, so this oh, daily activity engagement. Okay, I think should I? Yes. So yeah, this should be reports. My reports is on the root tab, not is how is navigate. Um, Navigation index TSX. Graphs is reports. Yeah. Yes. Now we are fine. Naming is fine. We should take care of the naming too. Now when I'm saying my reports should have a say view, there is one from the context and one from the native extension which automatically updates the opening and closing pair, bracket pair, right? Bracket pair, colorizer. We see if it is working or not. Save area view, React Native, what is the problem? Okay, yeah, we'll come to report section later. Wanted to make that clear. You can see a lot of reds. I think I also need to import some other extension for this configuration. That later time. My data points aren't updating. My state for this is, and so what I need to do is when I'm on cycle point is this. When I'm on read, then take it. But this is incorrect. For every state there should be new graph that I should be calling. So let's say on in landing, if my state is for cycle, the state should also update. So my use effect should have engagement selected activity, which is the dependent variable for use effect. Now when I'm saying this, state of the graph should update, and my graph should update. So there will be different. So there will be a graph here, and instead of like sending data like this graph be adjusted for like 7 days of the week. I'll split it. Use this window and I'll create another graph and mention it here. And I'll say, or I'll just pass different props altogether. Let's see if my whatever selected activity is cycle, then this graph should appear. And if my selected activity is equal to walk, then my other graph should appear. This will now the value will be, let's figure it out. My document, save it. Okay, nothing is the state rating or not. I need to check my two cycles. This case sensitive. My C is capital and my U is when I'm cycling and working. So I'm getting this, otherwise I'm not getting it. Right? So how to make sure that this graph is for cycle and this for walk is where we need to make some changes. I'll remove all of this. The graph is made such a manner that it needs all of these information as inputs. So I'll modify so instead of data walk, this should be day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, similarly, except from work, all of this should be like this. Now my parameters here, data cycle, this should be label, like which label I'm calling. I'll save it, right, and then my components here should be every data cycle will be replaced by label and data read be replaced by day 1, this by day 2, day 3, for this being day 5. Save it. Okay. Now when my labels are changing, and the graph values should also change. Where are my graph values? Yeah, so this is label. This should be the name of the chart. Maybe the heading. It will be till sign in dollar variable. Yeah, it will be label plus 5. Okay, so I'm passing a value here. It will be selected activity. C Control V. ठीक है, डॉलर साइकिल आ गया. VB. So it shows that this is for what? What is the matter? And this is then D1, D2, D3, V6, C. Parameters are all changed for the graph. Let's see what is this error. Invalid number, it says. So what is happening? I prepared it for a number and now a value is coming for the first variable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Leave. Okay, this can't happen. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm sending this for cycle, and this for gauge. This is updating. Okay, interesting. We'll figure out the graph and what is happening. 1, 2, 3 initial values are changing. 4, 5 these values. Interestingly, it's a higher mark. Then it's going down and down. Averaging is happening in the graph, and that is how the graph is changing. Okay, okay. Let's do it for energy, engagement, then energy. Same thing will happen. It will just be different props. Engagement. Let's just check for cycle energy. Cycle energy. Cycle energy. Right? Save it. State has been updated because my default use effect parameter has this. So whenever the value of this variable change, all the variables will get the default state until and unless I'm going in and updating it inside the code. Then for energy I'm talking about, to do is copy paste cycle code, select it, this only, and now my graph will be for cycle engagement. All of these. As this is also very new for me, how to manage the days in this way, I'll figure it out eventually. So, but then it again says daily activity engagement, but this is not engagement, this is, so I also send this as a prop in the label. If this is a string and I change it to is selected activity, I can say people will be यहाँ पर because it is engagement. Okay. Here. Copy. Save it. यहाँ पे it will be engagement, and यहाँ पर this will be my energy. So I've reduced the complexity of going into here like this code and creating condition formatting. If engagement is coming, then writing engagement, otherwise write energy. I've just used the string operator where I can also incorporate and end a variable. So this is the tilde sign, and I can write a string value here and pass the variable inside the string like this. Then let's try and see what happens. I'm doing this, nothing happens. I'll be dismissing this. What happened earlier? The state was updating. Now the state is not okay. Let's go with it for a while. This value is also not updating. I didn't realize it was luckily it did. I know that this is because of this only that I had added. Okay, figure out the logic for that. Not happy. Just go with the design. I pass the props as well to change the color. So my background color is coming as here. I do it X. I'll pass that as the prop. Sorry, back color. I'll save it. Let us say there is no back color, and I'll pass that as the div. It is pink. to it is changing. So just keep this. Even here, nothing is changing. So all three values will change, and this will be to see how will they change things. Um, if I'm having a variable as let a is equal to ink, then I pass a, that work, yes, okay. So gradient color, set, because it is black, nothing is coming, that is why I'll have shaded color. Green, yeah, okay. Here I will have green color as red. That is so good. Okay, I need to add a scroll view from React Native. Import scroll view from React Native. It's a good practice to have good organized structure of importing stuff. I'll say packages, assets, styles, then my context, never abuse. So these are my package and components. This is my component. Then you place them alphabetically. This is the package, component, layout, component, style, component, style, graph, component, active data, icon, layout is a component. These things are not incorporated at this point. Okay, scroll views is a package. What I'll be doing is put entire address into the scroll view, save it. So now I can scroll. But this is not, I have to say flex grow. And then container style is equal to flex grow to 1, and my height will be screen height. I will incorporate section layout dot height. Please know that it is for energy and for cycle engagement. I think I'll create two different sections. Um, One entirely for engagement and one entirely for energy. Yeah, yeah. If engagement and I'm on lending, set engagement. I'll create a state for like the way I've done for engagement, sorry, activity, and for engagement value is this. I'll use the hook input type exact input type is equal to useState. Initially it will be engagement, and then it will be energy. If my input type is engagement, then the upper graph will be visible. I'll say is cycle and input type equal to engagement, then good, right? So if I have also set them, okay, engagement is default. Right. Then when I'm on this eye icon, right, this should be touchable opacity. Yep. Opacity. B C text view. This should be correct. $74 to $129. I think I need to create another this like that. React Native say will import touchable opacity. Correct. Prettier isn't configured in the system. Yeah. See if it works. Yeah. So in React Native, if you are getting empty spaces or special characters, it shows error. Need to remove it, save it. Now it is gone. Now it is pressable, you can see. Then where I have touchable opacity, I'll say on press. You'll set input type, then on engagement, then engagement. And similarly for energy, say energy. If it is energy, then this should appear, and I'll use this. This will be energy. My document. Save. See. So when I'll press energy, energy will come. I'll press engagement, engagement will come. I'll not be seeing two graphs at a moment. Okay, um, nice. Uh, but then my placement has changed. What I'll do is this. Let's try and pass this style to this, right? Still doing the same. But if I remove it from here, that box. Oh, sorry, I had to remove this. To add this to this. Far so good. Um. Okay. The data is the problem. Similarly for the next thing. Yeah. Thank you for being here. I hope you other 5 minutes into the live. Right?